What's up everybody, JC with Stoner Car Care. Today we're talking about haze and fog on your windshield, what causes it and how to fix it. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos. To take care of window haze and fog, you'll need your favorite invisible glass cleaner, invisible glass anti-fog, some microfiber towels, and we highly recommend an invisible glass reach and clean tool. Before we get to cleaning your windshield, let's talk about some of the things that can cause haze. For instance, on the inside of your windshield, things like humidity, smoking, cabin moisture, vapor and off-gassing from vinyl and plastic, or engine and heater coolant leaks. As for the exterior, hard water, acid rain, and salt can cause haze. Now to start cleaning the haze, we're going to start on the inside to prevent any of the exterior grime from coming into your windshield. Now the good news is, it's not that hard to clean window haze off of your windshield as long as you're using the right tools. Any residue or any product you put on your glass, you need to get off. We've all been there when you're driving down the road at 5 p.m. that sun is getting low and that what was thought of be a clean windshield, you can see all the streaks all of a sudden. So you need a zero residue premium glass cleaner, invisible glass. Odds are, if you've heard of Stoner Car Care, it's because you had invisible glass given to you at a car show. So use this, a little bit goes a long way, and then make sure you have a clean microfiber towel that has not been used with fabric softener. And simply pull the grime off the windshield. Now, you can see that it's a little bit awkward in cleaning some of these corners, and that's why we developed the Reach and Clean tool. This helps you get into these hard to reach areas without breaking your back. And this isn't even that hard of a windshield. If you've been in a Corvette or something like that with a really steep windshield, it's impossible to get in here without banging your knuckles and getting your glass re-grimed up. For a Reach and Clean tool, simply apply directly to the tool and then drive that product down into all the corners and crevices of your windshield. Quick tip when using the Reach and Clean tool, the flat bottom actually goes to the base of the windshield for an even clean. We recommend starting with the perimeter clean and then vertical strokes to clean the majority. Now that we're on the exterior, use the same procedure we used for the inside. Again, you need a premium glass cleaner. A little bit goes a long way, and also make sure you clean the leading edge of your wiper blades to keep your glass looking invisible. So now that the windshield is clean, there's an optional step of putting an anti-fog on your glass. If you're battling moisture-based or humidity-based haze, this is the solution we recommend to keep your interior glass looking invisible and clean longer. Simply apply to your microfiber, and we're gonna show you, we're gonna apply it to the passenger side half of this windshield to show you some of the benefits. Obviously this is an exaggeration, but this shows you clearly what happens when you have anti-fog applied to one side and your raw glass on the other. This is a great example of what happens when it's nice and warm and humid during the day and you get a cold night. You come out to your car and you see fog all over the place. This is what happens. And that's the basics for windshield haze. Now you know why it happens and how to prevent it in the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.